Hey everybody, it's Elea from Elea's Closet, and today I'm going to just quickly do an informal review on our RuPaul Breastplate. And we call it the RuPaul Breastplate because actually we were contacted to do a breastplate for RuPaul for a new Netflix series called AJ and the Queen. And so based on height and weight, because usually that's how we recommend the size of a plate, on RuPaul's height and weight, we would recommend a double D. However, how tall she is, she's really tall. So our double D was a little too short on her. And then it was a little bit too narrow for her too. And so this is something that I've been hearing from a lot of different queens, that it's too short or that it's not wide enough. So most people fall into a category where it works and it looks really, really good. Our double D is the most popular one. But this one was made for that. So I'm just going to start by just giving you the dimensions of the plate. So from the hollow of the neck to the nipple line, so right here, from the hollow of the neck to the nipple line is 8 inches. And then from the hollow of the neck all the way to the bottom of the plate is 12 inches. So from here all the way to the bottom where it will sit will be 12 inches. And this diagram too is on my website on every single plate. So you can kind of take a measuring tape, set it where it's going to go, and see if that's going to work for you to kind of see where it's going to fall. Also, the width from one nipple to the other is 7 1/4 inch. And then from one side all the way to the other side of the plate is 17 inches wide. So that's going to be 3 inches wider than our double D. So again, if you had that problem of it being too narrow, then it's going to be really good for you. And then it also sits 2 inches longer than our original double D. So, but yeah, so this is the plate. Oh, also the protrusion, which is like, from the back of the plate to the front of the plate, sits at 4.5 inches. So this is the plate. Again, this one's a little bit too wide for me. But as you can see, it's wider. It sits longer, so this one's a little bit too long for me too. So the double D would actually be better for me. But yeah, it pushes, in a bra. You got this going on. It's got more width here. So if you're a little bit wider of a queen, or if you have a double D and it's just too narrow for your chest, this would be the perfect plate to get. Or if it's just too short, if everything's sitting too high, this again would be the perfect plate for you. Weighs 10 ounces more than the double D, so just a little bit heavier. I'm looking back here because I'm reading all my notes, so if you're like, why is she looking like that? But yeah, that's it. This is the back of it. So it's kind of hollowed out here so you can get that squish kind of feeling in the front. But a ton of silicone is in this plate too. I don't like really doing things that are really thin because they tend to like look cavey on stage for some reason, if that's even a word. But yeah, so this is the RuPaul plate. And so also you would know that you have the same plate as Mother. So, yeah, this is the RuPaul plate. So, thank you guys. I love you. Again, have any questions, just online chat away. See you later. Bye.